Hello, guys. Welcome back to our channel. Our next lecture is on triple talaq. My name is Tushar, and I am a representative of the Lexis and Company, and I am here to discuss you about triple talaq in India and the most anticipated triple talaq bill. So, what is triple talaq? Instant talaq or triple talaq or talaq talaq-e-ibbad, which is an Islamic practice that allow men to divorce their wife immediately by altering the words talaq three times. The pronouncement can be oral or written, or as in recent times, delivered by the electronic means, which is telephone, SMS, email, or social media. This is the triple talaq. Now, difference between different types of triple talaq in Islam. So, all other types of talaq with triple talaq, like Muslim personal law says that a talaq can either be given by the husband or by the wife. So it can also be a mutual divorce. Talaq given by husband are of the following steps. As per the Shariat, there are three ways in which a husband can divorce his wife: talaq-e-ehsan, talaq-e-hasan, and talaq-e-biddat. It is claimed that talaq-e-ehsan, talaq-e-hasan are recognized by the Holy Quran, but talaq-e-biddat is a creation of the Umayyad kings for their ill intentions. Talaq e Sunnat or Talaq ul Raje is a revocable divorce that can be pronounced in Hasan or Ahsan form. So, in case the woman is pregnant, the iddat period lasts until she gave birth. The waiting period for a woman after menopause is 3 months. So, talaq-e-ehsan is a proper form of talaq. In this form, successive pronouncement of talaq are made by the husband in three successive terms when the woman is not menstruating. In case of non-menstruating women, it is pronounced may be made after interval of a month or 30 days between the successive pronouncement. So this form of talaq can be revoked any time before the third pronouncement. Now, talaq-e-biddat or talaq-ul-bain, which is an irrevocable divorce, is instant triple talaq and is effective as soon as the word talaq has been pronounced thrice. In this form, talaq tree pronouncement can be made during a sign T at TUHR, thur, which means the woman is not menstruating, by saying I divorce thee thrice at the same time instant. So, Honorable Supreme Court of India, in its recent landmark judgment of Saira Banu versus Union of India, pronounced on August 22, 2017, has set aside the practice of talaq-e-biddat or triple talaq with the majority ratio of 3 is to 2. The judgment by the minority bench further directed the Government of Union of India to lay a proper legislation in order to regularize the proceeding of divorce as per Shariat law. So, what is the next topic is what is the landmark judgment passed by the Honorable Supreme Court in Saira Banu versus Union of India. The Saira Banu, in the Honorable Supreme Court heard the petition for ban of practice of triple talaq through a constitution bench comprising of five judges from a different religion. Um, on 22 August 2017, this bench declared triple talaq or talaq-e-biddat as unconstitutional by a 3:2 majority by Justice Kurian, Lalit, and Narmian, delivered at the majority judgment, while Chief Justice Keher and Justice Nazir dissented the majority. So, Justice majority view of Justice R.F. Nariman and U. Lalit. Majority judgment written by the R.F. Nariman. So, the bench held that the practice of triple talaq is arbitrary are in nature. by observing the following category, which is that the first one is, it is clear that this form of talaq is manifestly arbitrary in the sense that marital tie can be broken capriciously and visibly by held to be violative of the 393 fundamental rights contained under Article 14 of the Constitution of India. Now, the second one is section 2 of the 1937 act to be void uh, to extent indicated above on the narrower ground of its being manifestly arbitrary. So we do not find the need to go into the ground of discrimination in these cases, as was argued by the learned attorney general and those supporting him. So the Muslim Women Protection Right of on Marriage Bill 2017 Triple Talaq, that taking into consideration the view on the Honorable Supreme Court, the in the judgment of Saira Banu versus Union of India. So and therefore felt that there is a need for state action to give effect to the order of the Supreme Court and to redress the grievance of victim of illegal divorce in order to prevent the continued harassment being meted out to the helpless married women due to talaq-e ibbadat. The Union government claims that legislation would help in ensuring the larger constitution goals of gender justice and gender equality of married Muslim women and help subserve their fundamental rights of non-discrimination and empowerment. Now, sorry guys. Now the highlights of bill, the preamble. These are the basic highlights of the bill, which has been heavily criticized by many. The first one is the bill will now be placed before the upper house before Honorable Rajya Sabha on January 2, 2018. They said bill is passed with a majority. The same will be sent for approval to the Honorable President of India. And if the Honorable President assent to the said bill, then the new act will came into force, the Muslim Women Protection of Marriage on Marriage Act. Sorry guys. So, highlights of the bill are the bill was now will now placed before the honorable upper house, which is Honorable Rajya Sabha, and if it is accepted by the Honorable Rajya Sabha, then if this said will be passed by the majority, and the same will be the approval by the President of India, and the President of India will approve this bill, then the new act will come in force as the Muslim Women Protection of Right on Marriage Act. So this is the highlights of the bill and the landmark judgment cases, the Muslim Women Protection Act also. So I would like to conclude my lecture by this. We were discussing about the minority bench, the five judges which are what they discuss in the landmark judgment of the Saira Banu versus Union of India, and also we discuss about the highlights of the bill of the Women's of the Protection Act, and also what kinds of different types of triple talaq. So I would like to end my lecture. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe our channel and follow our page on Instagram and other social media networking sites. Thank you so much, guys.